Welcome, my dear students. Children, you all know that we are doing the chapter file handling, and now in the previous video we have learned about how to read and write the text file. Now it's a turn of a binary file. Let's learn about that what is a binary file and how to read and write the content or data in a binary file. For example, just see this program. In this program, we have a file object which is known as binary underscore file, which is opening the file name binary underscore file dot dat. So the first thing which you should learn is that the binary file has an extension dot dat. That means dat. And then we have a mode. Whenever we are opening the binary file, we need to mention B. We need to mention B with the either R or either W. You all know that R and W is nothing but a read and write operations, and when we specify B along with them, so it means we are opening the file in binary mode. So encoded is equal to text dot encode. This is an optional one. If you need to skip it, you can skip it. So note that opening and closing of the binary file is same as that of the text file opening and closing. So it's all same when we open the text file and when we open a binary file. We can open both of them with the help of a open function. But whenever we need to open a binary file, we need to specify B in a file opening mode. So then we will discuss about the main thing seek function and tell function, right? So let's discuss the very important module with the help of which we can open the binary file. It is Pickle Module. So all the operations related to the binary file can be done with the help of Pickle Module. So it provides us with the ability to serialize and deserialize the objects. That means to unpickle and pickling. So there are two concepts. One is pickling, one is unpickling. So what do you mean by pickling? Pickling means to convert the objects into a byte streams. To convert what is object here? Object is nothing but a various structures like list, dictionary, tuples. When we convert these structures into the bytes, that means we are pickling. We are changing it into a machine language. And when we are deserialized objects, that means when we are converting back the machine language into the objects, it is known as unpickling. So this is known as, these are the two concepts which one should know. The pickle module has two functions associated with it. One is a dump and other one is a load. So what is a dump function? Whenever we need to write anything onto the file, so that means the write operation can be performed with the help of a dump function. This dump function has two arguments. It can take the two arguments. The first argument of the object is whatever structure or whatever the list, whatever dictionary we want to store or we want to write. And the next argument is the file object, with the help of which we have opened the file, because that file objects contain all the content related to that file. So we have two arguments. First is the structure or the object we want to store, and the second one is the file object. So there are two types of protocol, pickle.highest protocol and pickle.default protocol. Then we have a pickle load function. What is the meaning of a load function? When we want to read the data from the file, that means we need to retrieve the pickled data or we serialized data. The steps are quite simple. We just need to use the load function. Now Load function will also take a argument, and the argument is nothing but the file object which is used to open the file in the read binary mode. So this is we discussed about the pickle module and two functions, that is dump function and load function, right? So next we have using pickle module. Just see this this is the simple program which is written. We have to import first of all the module which is known as pickle. Then we have created one file object with the name output underscore file, and a is the file which is opened in the write mode. I have created one identifier, my int, which is storing the value 42, and then my string and my list. So I am gonna write integer, I'm gonna write string, I'm gonna write list, and I'm gonna write dictionary values into the binary file. So with the help of a dump function, you all can see it is very simple. The dump has two arguments. In the first dump function, I have my int underscore output underscore file. Output underscore file is what? It is a file object. Similarly, the second, similarly third and fourth. And in the same program, I have opened the file in the read mode also. One is writing, another one is read. So the read is, but here we need to open the file with a different file object. Just see, I have used input underscore file. So pickle dot load, pickle dot load, pickle dot load, pickle load dot load. I have used it 4 times because I'm gonna read all the contents using the load function, and then simply I am just printing whatever content within on my Python console. So this is one more example, iteration over the binary file using the pickle module. Just see, I have integer, I have string, I have list, I have a dictionary. Now just see the this thing with open. This we have already discussed that we can open the file with the help of a with statement. Now while true, try, except. So these are the two exceptions. Pickle dot load next data except an error. So it will read the objects one by one, and if once the file will end, so it will give us an error, or it will come out of the loop. So next is insert and append record in the binary file. Now insert, you all know that if we want to add anything into my file, so that is known as insert. Within the content we can write, and append is nothing but when we are writing it the end of the things. So here I am writing it. So simple function is there, dump function. With the help of a dump function, I can write the dictionary values. Now reading the records is the same. If we want to record that how many records are there, so we can use this function. While true, try and except is two exceptional values which can be used. So these are the two important things which we discussed today about the binary files, that is the pickle module and the two functions related with the pickle module. One is a dump, one is a load. I hope you will try the programs at your home, and thank you so much for now.